Well, sorry about the view. This is just a little electric bike DIY life update. I got my new tire yesterday and I installed it, and I had my camera on my chest harness and everything turned on, and I was recording it, and about 12 minutes in the camera just stopped working. Stopped recording, and I didn't notice that the little red light had stopped flashing, so I don't get to post up a tire installation video, which sucks. But anyways, I get done installing it. Got the pump going on it, and I noticed as I was going to reattach the motor cable to the frame, one on the frame, that the wires inside the little spring housing, you know, there's a little spring right before the axle, and then you're supposed to put that little plastic boot on there to protect the wire and cabling. Well, it didn't do its job because the wires inside of the spring are all frayed and exposed, and at least the phase wires, and the yellow phase wire had one strand of metal holding it together. And I have no idea how long it's been like that. So I had to ditch that wheel. That was the last wheel I got from Electric, the most recent one. Then I had to go to the one before that I rode home on the flat tire like twice. Managed to only break one spoke, and the wheel was still true, luckily, so I swapped the tire and tube over to that wheel, and luckily the rim wasn't as damaged as I thought it was from like getting ground up on the road, so it's not going to damage the tire at all, thank God. So now that the fourth wheel is on the back of the bike now, it's on there. I pulled a spoke out of the recently damaged wheel and put it in there, so I replaced that spoke, and the wheel's still straight, like I said. So that's fixed. It's back on the bike. Cable's hooked up. I didn't start it. I probably should have started it, but I'm sure it's fine because there was nothing wrong with the wire coming out of it. So that's back on there. I got the new tire on there, and I could have come in and grabbed my camera and recorded the swap, because I obviously needed to put it on a new, well, not new wheel, but you know what I mean. But yesterday, during the pumping up process, I also had a bit of a minor chest pain issue, and I ended up going to the ER for 2 hours yesterday. So I'm still not feeling great. I shouldn't have probably been out there working on my bike at like 90 degrees or whatever it is outside right now, but I did. I feel okay now. So yeah, it's fixed. Yeah, I'm kind of bummed out I had to delete the video. I'm pretty bummed out I didn't feel like coming in and getting the camera and recording the swap today. I didn't feel up to walking all the way back across the house and grabbing my camera and putting it on and going all the way back out there, because I was already running out of energy. So I live in a corner house, and it's a long walk from the driveway to my room, basically the whole length of the house. So yeah, anyways, and I'm big, so sorry about the view. This is just me in my room pointing at boxes on my chair, talking to the camera, because I'm not decent enough to be having the camera pointing at me, seeing as I'm just wearing a pair of shorts right now, and the world does not need to see the rest of me right now. That would just creep out the world. Sorry. Anyways, with that, remember, it'd be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on those post notifications. Subscribers, thank you for subscribing. We're up to 895 subscribers. We're getting really close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And new subscribers, thank you for helping us get closer to that mark. Random viewers, consider subscribing. I've got lots and lots, like 1,400 plus short videos. Most of my shorts are comprised of my longer videos. I basically go through and try to find interesting bits and turn those into shorts, so that I constantly have stuff to upload, so when I'm not feeling well, I can still be uploading almost every day. So there's a lot of content on my channel to watch. It's just me riding around on my e-bike. There's a couple cooking videos in there and a couple pet videos, but mostly just, say 98% of it's me on my bike or working on my bike or something to do with my bike. With that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike ride video, e-bike maintenance video, aforementioned pet video, aforementioned cooking video, or a random occurrence in the city of San Bernardino where I reside. If something happens and I'm out, I will check it out. If I hear about something and I'm feeling okay, maybe I'll go check it out too. Okay, bye.